First 5 on NU. Go. Chantenko. De la Cruz. First 5 on UP. Wonderboy. Tolentino. Chantango. Okay. Our semi-final match, UP against NU. And the winner of this match will advance to the finals on Sunday against Adamson. First position of NU. Now Wonderboy.
Pasa ko yung cellphone, magkatabi kasi.
Tantuangko. Back to Wonderboy. 40 to shoot. Tantuangko. Too strong. Rebound on NU. Foul. Foul on number 24 on Tolentino. First on Tolentino, first team foul against UP. 40 to shoot. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Our semi-final match, NU versus UP. It's steal. Ilo Santos. Top up, pull out, jump. Bang on Ilo Santos. Now 3-0 favor of UP. Andaya to Chantenko. Chantenko 1-1 by Ilo Santos. 40 to shoot, 14. Andaya back to Chantenko. 10 to shoot. Grab, Chantenko escape. In and out, rebound on number 7. Down to Tolentino. Pass to Ilo Santos again. Fake, jump. Bang on Ilo Santos. Back-to-back 3-point shot on Ilo Santos. Nice spot, nice defense on number 8 of Tantonko. Tantonko again. Back to... Whoa! What a move! Now 8-0. Nice move by Rendon. Now Rendon down in the ball game. Chantenko. 8 minutes to Lazaro. Carried by Ilo Santos. Fake. Is it 8? 14 to shoot. 14. Time out on NU. We have a 3-man referee for a semi-final match. UP against NU. Tantonko to Wonderboy. Tolentino. Back to the Wonderboy. 40 to shoot. Wonderboy. Oh, the Wonderboy! 11-0 run from NU. Lazaro. Bang on Lazaro. Now 11-3. Back to 8-point lead on UP. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Now on Ilo Santos again. Too strong. Rebound on Rendon. Rendon again. Rebound on. Go to Chantenko. Chantenko going by the intercepted again by Wonderboy. Tolentino. Side step. Tolentino. Too strong. Rebound down. Foul. Foul on number 11 on Tantuangko. First on Tantuangko. Second team foul by UP. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. 11-3 our score. Favor still on UP. Our semi-final match, semi-final game. Chantenko to Andaya. Back-to-back turnover against NU. The winner of this match will advance to the finals on Sunday against Adamson. Chantenko, scoop. Chantenko, foul. Foul on go. First on go. First team foul NU. First team foul on NU. 2 free throw shot. Given by number 11 at Tantuangko. 6 minutes and 21 seconds per shot. Nice shot by the Tuango. 12-3. 9-point lead on UP. 13-3 now. 10-point lead on UP. It's Chantenko. Now setting a play. Chantenko to Lazaro. Lazaro move. Lazaro escape. Kalimat Tolentino. 14 to shoot. 14. Go. 10. Wow. Go. Warning on number 21 for the lane. The game on Andaya. 13 to 5. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. 8-point lead on UP. Wonderboy to Rendon. Guarded by number 4. Rendon. Drive. Rendon. Nice pass. Wonderboy again. Big. 30 to shoot. Black. Pow. Foul on number 21 on Andaya. Second team foul on LU. 3 bonus shot coming from De Los Santos. 5 minutes and 26 seconds. 8-point lead against UP. In and out.
Lakay. Domingo.
Huwag na sir. Kita. 5 minutes! Lazaro to Chantenko. Chantenko escape. Chantenko drive. Chantenko escape. Chantenko again. Chantenko 1-1. Chantenko scoop short. Rebound of Tatonko. To Rendon. Rendon, the Mad Max Rendon. Yes, on Rendon. 15 to 8. 15 to 5. 10-point lead by UP. Our semi-final match, semi-final game. 2 or die game by UAP Lazaro. Yes, on the veteran Lazaro. Chantenko. Nice pass, Tolentino. In and out, rebound on Lazaro. Lazaro now, Lazaro to Chantenko, Chantenko drive, Chantenko, too strong, Chantenko now, to Rendon again, Rendon, pow! Foul on Sirandaya. Third team foul on NU, third team foul on NU. Second personal foul on Sirandaya.
Sobra!
Chantenko again, go. Move, go, guarded by Rendon, go, move, go, nice defense on Rendon now. Chantenko, short. Rebound on Tolentino. What about by Tolentino? 17 to 7. Back to 10-point lead on UP. Chantenko again. Chantenko, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Steve to Wonderboy. Wonderboy to Tolentino. Tolentino drive, Tolentino escape, drive to back, Tolentino again, no Wonderboy. 14 to shoot, 14. Chantenko, 10 to shoot. Chantenko, side step, foul on number 23 on NU, warning for penalty on NU, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Lazaro, first personal foul on Lazaro. Warning for penalty on NU, 3 minutes and 10 seconds, 17 to 7. 10-point lead on UP.
Box, thrower!
Now again, Andrew Santos, 14 to shoot. Short, Lazaro. Foul on number 0 on De Los Santos. 13 foul on UP first against De Los Santos. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 14. Now Chantenko. 10 to shoot. Rep. 5 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, number 4. Now 10 to 17. 7-point lead now by UP. Oh, that's against Chantenko. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Chantenko. To Lazaro. 14 to shoot. Same spot. Sir Andaya. Short. Andaya again. 5 to shoot. Down De Los Santos. De Los Santos now. To Chantenko. Oh, Rindon. Rindon again. Lazaro. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Go. Yes or go. 17 to 12. Now 5-point lead by UP. 1 minute and 20, 14 seconds. Short, Lazaro. Lazaro now. Lazaro, Garbe Tontino. Foul on number 24 on Tolentino. Second Tolentino, 13 foul on UP. 10 to shoot. Rep. 5 to shoot. 5. 50 seconds. 50. Tolentino. Foul. Oh, basket count. And 1 against Tolentino. Now NUN penalty. Foul on number 4 on Uy. 50 seconds, 50. Bonus draw. 1 more shot. Foul, basket 1. On Tolentino. Rebound on Lazaro. 45 seconds. Go. Anton Tuango, 30 seconds. De Los Santos. Short.
Good.
And you ball, and you, 28 seconds, 28. Uy. 20 seconds. Tap by Chantenko. 15. Rep. Black. 3 seconds, 3 seconds. And UP ball, UP. Second quarter. Di Torres. 14 to shoot, 14. The captain, oh! The captain, Lionheart! Mendel, now 22 to 12, 10-point lead by UP. This is our semi-final match. Shuttleworth to now 14 to shoot, 14. In and out, Shuttleworth again. Too strong. Rebound on Cummins. Now white ball. Now 10-point lead by UP, 22 to 12. This is our semi-final match, semi-final game. Do or die game. on UAEP Season 4. Still again. Now next defense to Betay. To Sir Galang. Sir Galang move. Still. 14 to shoot, 14. Too strong. Sir Galang, fake. Carried by Di Torres. 10 to shoot. Inbound on Di Torres. Di Torres now. Di Torres to Omakob. Omakob pass to Escalante. Too strong. Rebound on the yellow shirts. Now relieve. Carried by. Oh, nice defense. Nice defense on the white shirts. 8 minutes and 26 seconds. 22 against 12. Favor of UP. 8 minutes. Now Di Torres to Captain Midel. Di Torres drives, skate, pass outside, Umakov, block behind. Nice ball, nice defense on LU. Our score 22 to 12. Still favor of UP. It's a 4-0 run against UP. 22 to 12. Escobel is still by the captain. Di Torres. Still again. Di Torres. Oh, nice defense on the yellow shirt. And you ball, and you. Oh, same ball, white ball.
Saan yun?
14 to shoot, 14. Hey, Di Torres, 10 to shoot. Yeah, he's here on Sir Galang. Now to nice pass. Oh! In and out. 6 minutes and 50. Di Torres. Short. Rebound by Escobel. Got it by 3. Escobel now. To relieve. Escobel now. 14 to shoot. 14. And out. Rebound by Cummins. Carried by Shuttleworth. Backing violation, backing timeout. NU versus UP. And the winner of this match will advance to the finals on Sunday versus Adamson. Relief to Shuttleworth. Guarded by Escalante. Shuttleworth to relief. Open jump. Yes! On relief! 6 minutes. Omakov. Nice defense. Foul. Who's ball left? Foul on number 11 on Sir Galang. Sir Galang first team foul against LU. 14 to shoot. 5 minutes 41 seconds. Omakov. Oh, the reigning MVP, Omakov! 24-14, back to 10-14 by UP. Escobel. To Shuttleworth now, acting as a point guard. Shuttleworth, press the goal, Shuttleworth! Rebound by Cummins. Escalante, guarded by Escobel. Escalante goes to go short to the west. Nipones, blank by Biahe. 14 to shoot, 14. Foul. Foul on number 25 on relief. Second team foul on NU first. On relief. Second team foul on NU. 14 to shoot shot clock. 2 minutes and 57 seconds. 10 to shoot. Captain Medel. The liner. Captain Medel. 26-14. Sir Galang, fake, flag, goes. Caribay, Kumagom. Now, 3-second violation on Sir Galang. Now, 12-point lead on UP, 26-14. This is our semi-final game, semi-final match, do or die game. NU versus UP. Captain Middle again. Too strong. Whoa! Comments! 28-14, 4 minutes! Biyahe. Guided by Dipores. Back to Biyahe. Nice pass. Pilar. Relief. To Escobel. Black behind by Captain Midel. White ball. Nice defense of the Captain Midel. The Lionhearts. 4 minutes and 3 minutes and 49 seconds. 28-14. Now Dipores. St. Martin Dipores. Pass to Mako during the MVP. Comments. Umako again. Yes, Umako. 30-14. Now Shuttleworth. Early by comments. 1-1. Relief. Wow, the reigning MVP again. Umako 3 minutes. Umako to St. Martin. St. Martin de Pares. Fake. Wow, the fake shot. St. Martin de Pares. 14-32. Behind to relief. To Sir Galang. Fake. Wow. Foul on St. Martin de Pares. First on UP. First on St. Martin. 2 free throw shot to Sir Galang. Yes, on Sir Galang. 15-32. 17-point lead now by UP. Escalante. Whoa! Umako, the reigning MVP. 34-15. St. Martin de Pares. Steal by the Shuttleworth. 1-1. Yes, on 17-34. Back to 17-point lead. 1 minute and 58 seconds. 18 to shoot. 18. 14 to shoot. Steal by Escobel. Whoa! Back-to-back shot. 20-34. Hello. Asa? Three-second violation on comments. Nice defense on NU. 1 minute and 17 seconds. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Hello.
Kaya natali pa.
14-point lead now by UP. Sir Galang to Shuttleworth. 14 to shoot. Yes, on Sir Galang. 22-34. 12-point lead now by UP. Umako. Oh, Mako! 45 seconds. Escobel. Traveling Madison on Escobel. 38 seconds, 38. This is our semi-final game, do or die game, UP against NU. And the winner of this match will advance to the finals on Sunday against Adamson. Now, Umago. St. Martin de Porres. Escalante, fake, stay. In and out. Rebound again. Escalante. Foul. Foul on number 20 on Biay. Third team foul on NU. First personal foul on Biay. 18 seconds, 18. 37-22. Back to 15-point lead by UP. 18 seconds. $38 to 22. 16 seconds, 16.
Last shot. 16.
Captain Mendel, 10 to shoot. 10 seconds. Skibel.
Uy, wala na.
Ang asawahin.
Oo.
Sinagap pa.
Wala, nagsiselos na.
Now Chantenko, Lazaro, la veteran Lazaro. In and out, rebound by Tolentino. To Tantuanco. Oh, the commissioner is in. Turnover against the commissioner, number 17. 9 minutes and 37 seconds on our third quarter. Chantenko. Go. Bang, 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 bang on go. 25 to 38. Back to 13-point lead by UP. Now St. Martin. Commissioner Tolentino, fake, drive. Tolentino is good, too strong. Rebound on 10 to shoot, 10. St. Martin, oh, steal. Lazaro. Lazaro now, 3 on 3. Lazaro, drive. Lazaro, the veteran. Lazaro. Ball on number 17 on the commissioner, Mayunan. First on Mayunan, substitution. 38 to 27, 11-point lead now by UP.
Huwag na lang lang sa sakyanan mo.
Oh, tap, I go.
Nice layout. Bigyan mo sa labas.
10 to shoot, 10 to shoot. Lazaro. Now the commissioner. To De Los Santos. Rebound again by De Los Santos. Rendon. Back to commissioner. 14 to shoot, 14. Tantonco. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Nothing but net by Tantonco. Now 41 to 27. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Now Chantenko. Side step. Pull out jump. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Chantenko. 41 to 30. 11-point lead back to UP. Now commissioner. Rendon. The Gladiator Dindon. Now the Gladiator Dindon. 43 to 30 now. 13-point lead by UP. Aperecho to the veteran. Still by De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Stop up. Stay. 3-point shot. Yosong. Rebound on Shuttleworth now. Shuttleworth to Chantenko. Chantenko, the mighty mitten. Chantenko still by Tantonco. Basket count and one on Tantonco. Substitution reps up. Foul on number 34 on Shuttleworth. First personal foul on Shuttleworth. First team foul. UP. 45 to 30. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Now the veteran Lazaro. To Escobel. Too strong. Out, go! The mighty go! Go now, go back! Blocked by the board by Go. Now on the projector. Rendon, still by the mighty Kitten. Mighty Kitten now, mighty Kitten nice pass to the veteran Lazaro! 32 to 45, back to 13-point lead by UP. This is our semi-final game, semi-final match. Do or die game between UP and LU. Santuango, De Los Santos. Bang, 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 bang on De Los Santos. 48 to 32. Now, 16-point game. Escobel, blocked by De Los Santos. Biyahe. Now, Tontuango, 5 minutes and 50 seconds on the third quarter. Tontuango again. Tontuango, guard by Biyahe. De Los Santos, the trigger man, now short. Now the veteran, move at the foul.
Number 7.
All on number 7 on Gladiator Rendon. First on the Gladiator, second team foul on UP. Good free throw shot covered by the veteran Lazaro. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And the winner of this match will advance to the finals on Sunday against Adamson. Nice shot coming from the veteran Lazaro. Free throw shot, last shot.
Shooting!
Tontuango. Tolentino. Whoa, the Gladiator! Rendon, now 50 to 33. 5 minutes. Mighty Kitten. Biyahe, fake. Biyahe now, para to Mighty Kitten. Side step, puro jump. Short, iba ng Tontuango. To De Los Santos. De Los Santos, out. Kickball, same ball, 24 4 minutes and 50 seconds, 17-point lead now, UP.
Aliyah.
Inbound ng Tolentino.
True.
Too strong. Inbound on Lazaro. Lazaro, one on one by Tolentino. To the meeting kid ng Chantenko. Chantenko to go.
Shoot! Come on!
Tap by Tolentino. 4 minutes and 20. Now Tontuango, stop up. Still by Go. Go now, 4 minutes, 4. Go to Escobel. Yes, that is Escobel. 35 to 50, 4 minutes. Now 15-point lead on UP. The commissioner.
O, dahan-dahan lang po yun.
Tikit.
40 to shoot, 14. Gladiator, Rendon, the Gladiator pass to Tolentino, shape foul.
O, dumos.
Foul on Go. Second team foul on NU. 3 minutes and 36 seconds, first on Go.
Hey, pagod ka na.
Aliyah.
Kaya?
Only 15-point lead of University of the Philippines.
Aliyah.
EP now going to Commissioner. 10 to shoot, 10.
Nice!
Biyahe. Whoa! Back-to-back turnover time out on UP.
Ikaw naman. Aliyah. Slipper.
Bang! Escalante. Short, Escalante again. Short again. Rebound on Chanteco.
Diretso lang, pre! Diretso lang!
Go. Esquivel. Foul. Two shots on Esquivel. Foul on number 17 on the commissioner. Third team foul on UP. Second. Personal foul on number 17 on the commissioner. Basket substitution tayo. Basket substitution. Substitution rep sa prep. 36 to 50. 14-point lead now by UP.
Mike, sa'yo na yan, okay, sa wala nang bago na. Sa'yo na.
Now, Di Torres, Tolentino. Your Santos. 10 to shoot, 10. He's still on Chanteco. Back-to-back turnover of both teams, 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Umakto ulit,
Now, Tolentino. St. Martin de Porres. To De Los Santos. 14 to shoot. 14. 10. 8 to shoot. 8. 8 to shoot. Sab. Tolentino out. Umakop in. 8 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 58 seconds.
Ay! Kuha! Kuha!
Oh, good! 10 to shoot. Oh, Escalante! The atomic bomb, Escalante! 52 to 36.
Shoot!
40 to shoot, 40.
Ayaw!
Short.
Shoot!
Naman to the 10 now. 52 to 36, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Tantuango. Drive. Tantuango. Pow.
Huwag niyo batayan si Go. Ay.
Foul on the Shuttleworth. Third team foul on NU. Third team foul against NU. 1 minute and 8 seconds.
Ulog rin sa wag yun. Kasana ka tambag mo.
52 against 36 UP. (53 to 36), 1 minute remaining, 1 minute third quarter for our last semi-final game. 55 seconds.
Shoot! Ni!
Tantuango. Tantuango. Nice move. Nice defense on St. Martin again. Rebound on. Go. Oh, steal by De Porres. St. Martin De Porres. 14 to shoot. 14. Atomic bomb.
Nice!
Too strong. Chanteco. Now, Matitiden. Right. Matitiden. Paso Lazo. Lazo goes. Lazaro. Blocked by Los Santos. 20 seconds. 20. Winning MVP, oh Mako! 12 seconds!
Bigyan mo lang dyan, sige. Bigyan na.
5 seconds! Yes, on the veteran! And about third quarter our score. Now, St. Martin De Porres. Captain Medel. The liner. 10 to shoot, 10. Winning MVP. Rebound on Go. Go now. Nice defense on Margot. Oh, Sir Galang. 40 to 55. Back to 15-point lead by UP. Our last match, last game for both teams on semis. And one team will survive to the finals on Sunday against Adamson. Time to shoot, 10.
Dalawa.
Yellow ball, Union Bull, and you.
Depensa, Kuya Rendon. Trabaho.
9 minutes, last 9 minutes on our semifinals. Game. Now, Chantenko. Galing pa sa Martin Boras. Mr. Lee, short. Top by Biyahe. Reigning MVP, looking for St. Martin de Porres. Umakop, reigning MVP. Short. Rebound by Go. Biyahe. Oh, nice move, nice defense. Yes, on Biyahe. 42 to 55, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. The Gladiator now, Gladiator Rendon. Pass to reigning MVP, St. Martin de Porres. Top up, pull a jumper, bang on St. Martin de Porres. 57-42. Back to 15-point lead on UP, 8 minutes and 15 seconds on our last quarter. Now on Chantenko, Sergalang. To strong then, Biyahe. To the veteran, Lazaro, 10 to shoot, 10.
Come on. Nice!
Biyahe again, Lazaro, shot. St. Martin de Porres. It's 3 on 2. St. Martin, in and out. Chantenko, the mighty kitten, right? Yes, oh, no, in and out. Biyahe. In and out again. Lima on comments. To Gladiator, to Captain Medel. The Lionheart, Captain Medel. 7:23 now, 59 to 42. Rebound the comments. The comments, come and go comments. 59 to 42, 17-point lead on UP, 7 minutes. To Gladiator. 14 to shoot, 14. 10 to shoot. Winning on Bepi, 5 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 1, Chantenko, mighty kid at Chantenko, 44 to 59. 15-point lead on UP, 6 minutes and 39 seconds. This is our last game for both teams who will survive to the finals on Sunday. Against Adamson. Gladiator to Makum, reigning MVP, escape, earning MVP. Oh, Makum, timeout on NU. It's all over by UP, lead by UP by 20 to 15, 61 to 44, 6 minutes and 21 seconds. It's Adamson or UP or NU on the finals on Sunday.
Paputa ka.
Now the mighty kitten Chantenko. Pastor Sergalang. 3-point shot. Too strong. 6 minutes. Last 6 minutes of the game. Last 6 minutes. Who will survive? Who will go to the championship game on Sunday? Foul! Foul on Biyahe. First team foul on NU. Second personal foul against Sir Biyahe. Now St. Martin. To the Gladiator. 10 to shoot, 10. Whoa! Oh, Mako reigning MVP, 44 to 63. 5 minutes and 20.
Len.
Now may tikitin. Biyahe. Go. Rebound on comments. Come and go on comments. 5 minutes. Substitution rep, sub.
Sab ka na sab.
Tawag.
Tolentino in. Gladiator out. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds on our semi-final game. NU versus UP. Biyahe. 14 to shoot, 14. Wow! Comments, come and go, comments. Substitution rep, substitution, sub. Masuk ka, ma'am.
Sakit lang yan.
It will be UP or NU and the finals against Anderson. Lazaro, skate, the veteran, Lazaro. Yes, on Lazaro. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Now Tolentino. St. Martin, stop up, Caribe go. 14 to shoot, 14.
Layo pa yan.
Escobel.
Tempo, friend!
Pow.
Hey!
Foul, ref, foul. Oh, no foul. 19 seconds to shoot, 19. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. It will be UP or NU on championship game. Oh, short. Rebound on set by De Forest to Tolentino. Oh, nice steal by Lazaro. It will be UP or NU on the Sunday's game, finals game between Anderson. 14 to shoot, 14.
Pre, bigyan mo ng screen si ano para makakuha ang bola.
10 to shoot. Come and go, Cummins. Tolentino. Steal by Go. It's 2 and 1. Go. To Escobel. Go again. Out. Tap by Umakov. Umakov to St. Martin de Torres. 3 minutes remaining time. 3 minutes are. 3 minutes is brought to you by Jollibee. Nice pass. What a play coming from Tantuango. 65 to 46. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 24 on Tolentino. First on Tolentino, first team foul on UP. Third on Tolentino, third against Tolentino. It's still on St. Martin de Porres. 1 and 1, St. Martin de Porres. Now 67-14, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Still UP and lead by 21. Again, Tantuango. It's 2 and 1, St. Martin. To De Los Santos. 69 to 46, last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Lazaro. Ang tibay ng Lazaro. 69 to 48. 1 minute, 2:50 seconds. Tantuango. Tolentino, foul. Foul on Shuttleworth, second team foul on NU. 1 minute and 44 seconds. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Time out on UP. Seconds. It's been UP all the way, all the game. 69 to 48. Two free throw shot. On Tolentino.
Grabe road man ni.
It's Ray. Come and go, Ray. Comments. One minute and 44 seconds, 48 to 70. Rebound on go. Rarago. 1 minute and 30.
Shoot lang. Alas kayo.
Lazaro.
Shoot.
Now last 1 minute and 20. Now UP. De Los Santos. Tutuan 14 to shoot. 14. Tolentino. Stop up. 10 to shoot. Last 1 minute. Willie. Escobel. Out De Los Santos. Tantuango. 50 seconds. Sheesh. 14 to shoot. 10. 35 seconds. 5 to shoot. 28 seconds. 14 to shoot. 14. 10 to shoot.